It's Paul Hamilton here for your Apple Tip of the Month. Hey, I'm in Keynote and we're going to go up to shapes. Bring in a shape. Let's bring in bones here, our skeleton for science, which could be great for a science lesson in high school or primary school. And if I right click on that, what I can actually do is I can break apart those shape elements. So you'll see now that all the different bones are isolated, that we can do some really great stuff with them. Or what we could also do is we could actually identify one of those and actually bring it back. So if I just bring those elements back there and I identify, say, the rib cage, what we can then do is go up to Style. We can highlight that rib cage, and then we can go up to Animate and create a little custom animation for that. So it could be maybe just a little jiggle, and you can actually identify different elements of that and bring your science lesson and your creativity to the next level by creating these instructional videos, or maybe your students are actually creating a presentation to demonstrate knowledge and understanding on a topic. So that's my little tip of the month for Apple, is that you can bring in shapes, you can break them apart, and then you can isolate and animate them. Paul Hamilton here for Using Technology Better.